Yeah, Ariel, the wind very strong right now. Some improvements though, because the area that we're standing in, the road leading out to the Hampton River Boat Club, was under several feet of water earlier. We saw people riding their kayaks out to check on their boats, and now it's dry, so that's an improvement. But whether it was the flooding, the rain, or this wind that we're still feeling, virtually no area of the seacoast was left untouched by this storm. Even a mile inland from the shore, the high tide and storm surge pushing water and debris over roads. But eventually, the sun came out, and so did the kayaks.
Took it straight down the road here, down to the dead end, and over where there's a little bridge, and the entire guardrail was buried.
Sharon Clifford lives on Landing Road in Hampton. She's used to seeing high tide surge in the marsh, but nothing quite like this.
But I was watching it. My birdhouse out here was at one point completely covered, and we've been here for 12 years. This is, I think, the highest that it's been here. So.
At the seawall, courageous neighbors coming out after the storm to watch the powerful waves, chunks of concrete and sea foam littering the streets. Utility crews now have their hands full. This pine tree snapping in the high winds, falling on electric wires in the roof of this home.
Power went out, and it's been out, I think, since like 10:30 this morning, I think.
Colleen and Stephen Piatti live just a few houses down. This is the third storm to hit their neighborhood this week, and the second one that's brought down trees.
We just got finished cleaning up our tree. It was just as big as that one, but it came down in our yard. It didn't hit anything.
And again, that wind is still blowing pretty strong out here, so we're not totally out of the woods yet. Now, a lot of roads around the seacoast, especially the main roads leading to and from the areas like Hampton Beach, were closed because of that serious flooding earlier today. A lot of those roads have reopened, so some people are being allowed back to their homes and businesses to survey the damage. So even though it seems that the worst is behind us, a lot of people just starting to get their heads around some of the damage left behind from this storm. Live in Hampton, Ross Ketchke, WMUR News 9.